Here we are at...
I gotta finish loading the videos to the folder.
Oh, I see. Here we are at the, looks like this is the geology building.
Yeah.
At School of Mines. Yeah, geology.
Okay, yeah, I'm recording now. Here we go.
Gecko.
Innovation. Prestige. That's a rare color for prestige.
It is. You don't see it in red.
Definitely modded. Got 3D
This is a
sensors.
very recent mod. See, because look, you can see it got the
3D doors. And
yeah. Looks like it was Dover.
Doesn't have yes no buttons though.
Probably like a 2021, 2022 mod then.
Yeah. Let's see. It does light up red.
You know what? I actually like the fact that they made the lanterns, the buttons, and the indicator all match in color.
You know how often innovation mods don't have that recently?
Right?
I've seen that a lot. Although I am appreciating seeing a return in green fixtures one.
I like that, yeah. This
What's
isn't
interesting?
oh,
go ahead.
this isn't a bad mod. This honestly was probably something older than Dover.
It looks like it would have been a Westinghouse.
Cause look, this is Dover.
Oh, Dover.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Does it say? Yeah, Dover. Look at that. But this is definitely older than Dover. Oh, look, you can see there's the indicator modded up. It does. It really does look like a hospital.
Does it light up red as well? Yeah.
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah, it's a decent one. Let's be silent for the motor. Hopefully it's a decent one. Is that me or is that a pretty harsh start?
Yeah, that was pretty hard.
Another bell. The school likes its bells.
I wonder if that was the old
I
one.
think it actually is, because look, they only have fire strobes.
Well,
They don't
those
have
fingers are in the
horns.
ceiling, right above your head.
Oh, yeah, I see.
There are a ton of bad access doors here.
All right.
Just like AHAC does.
This is interesting. This has definitely been modded a couple times.
I do like the red though.
Yeah.
Red on Prestige is not. Usually, I think I see on Prestige white.
Yeah,
Prestige
white
will
and
often
blue.
pink.
Yeah, you're right. It is always white.
Yeah, it's almost always white on Prestige. I don't know, I'd like to work on that elevator database and then I can actually see if I can get all those listed.
Well, now I have another college campus of videos at.
Oh, right, you keep track of all your stuff by location.
Mm-hmm.
I have a map, but I don't do that much by location.
And I barely had any golden videos before this anyway, so I had like two random motels, and then that parking garage at the train station. Well, we can go downtown later too. There's some little motels and garages down there in the downtown area. Anyway, that will be it.